Extreme violence in sub-Saharan Africa. 16.2 million Christians have been displaced. They lost their homes, their income, their loved ones, forced to live in makeshift tent camps, often in spaces as small as 16 square feet. But even here, they don't feel safe, and there's no home to turn back to. It is a massive humanitarian crisis. But the world is silent. Politicians are silent. The church is silent.
Nobody talks about it. We are remaining in the darkness.
Until now, break the silence. Raise your voice and sign the petition for protection, justice, and restoration. Break the silence, stop the violence.